What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an exciting one. I'm going to be showing you guys my green smoothie that I posted on my Insta story. A lot of you guys liked it, and guys, let me tell you, it was so freaking delicious. If you are someone who wants to kickstart your day with something super healthy, super delicious, then this recipe is for you. Sundays I want to do lifestyle videos, and that's where I'll be posting recipes and just like things to start your week in a positive way. I want my space to be, you know, all about positivity and just bringing you guys tips on how to have healthy habits for your lifestyle. All right, guys, let's get started. Make sure you wash all your veggies beforehand as well. I'm gonna use half an apple. This is a gala apple. So just cut off the stem. And then I did use half of this one yesterday, so that's why you guys can kind of see that. Got a little brown, but it's no big deal. Just cut the center, the core. I love apple in my smoothie because it just adds like a nice balance, like sweet and also sour flavor. What's super key to this recipe is the ginger. Ginger has so many health benefits. I will go ahead and link down below the health benefits of ginger. I wasn't ever really a fan of ginger, but my boyfriend actually got me on this, and I know it's super good for you. It doesn't always taste the best. It has a little spiciness to it, but just put it in your smoothie and you won't really taste it. So I kind of just, you know, eyeball a little amount like this much, and then you want to go ahead and cut off the skin. Oh my god, my boyfriend had me drinking ginger shots, guys. If you've ever had a ginger shot, shout out to you. You're the real MVP, because girl, that shit's harder than drinking a shot of Patron, let me tell you. We're just gonna go ahead and just chop it up little chunks. Remember, everything's gonna be blended anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. This is the green that I have in hand, so I decided to use this. Just a couple pieces of it. I recommend buying a veggie wash. This is a veggie wash organic for your vegetables. This is so great. You spray this on and then it helps you clean them off as well. Take off all the debris. So there's some that you should, and some that it's okay if you don't get organic. But I try to, for the most part, try to get as much organic as I can. I also use frozen fruits, and this is the Trader Joe's organic tropical fruit. I also just like to just have frozen mangoes on hand. I find frozen mangoes are so delicious in your green smoothies. And the frozen part of it I love because it also makes it like colder, and it makes the smoothie have like a thicker consistency. And the recipe I had posted, I had used just mango, but this is what I have on hand right now. I also did put chia seeds. These are the chia seeds. I actually purchased this big old thing at Walmart. A tablespoon of chia seeds. It's like a great source of protein, and they have so many health benefits as well. Is protein, I use, this is the Vega, this is the plant-based protein. You can add protein to your smoothies. Sometimes I like to add oatmeal to them. So you have your lettuce, I have my apples, you can use green or red. I like the gala apples. I have my celery with ginger, frozen fruit, chia seeds, and my lemon. And we're gonna go ahead and put it on our hand blender, Mr. Blender. I am currently burning Marshmallow Fireside by Bath & Body Works. You're also gonna be needing a half a cup of water. And our lemon juice. So some of these fruits and veggies do have water, so you don't want to put too much. I just do like about a half cup. It's complete. This is my deliciously green smoothie, guys. Look how delicious he looks. You could also top it off with some chia seeds. You know, make it look cute and stuff and whatnot. Guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on my delicious green smoothie. I am obsessed with this guy. Now for the taste test, guys. This thing is so good. Nice and thick, full of vitamins and just all around goodness, guys. Definitely recommend get the frozen mangoes because those taste so good. I do like the tropical blend, but the mangoes fire. Yes guys, this is my lifestyle Sunday video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click thumbs up, subscribe down below, join the Cindy Chic fam. I will also put my Etsy shop for my hats. Shameless plug, but if you do guys want to purchase a chula hat, I would totally appreciate it. And until next time guys, like me and my girl say, bye!